Namaste, Pranam, good morning. I am Dr. Divagaran, Cochin. Whether you get all comforts in life or not, we have to go through astrology. The fourth house. Mada Sugar Madula Bhagineyo, Kshetram Sugam Vahanamasananja, Lalityam Ambaha, Shayanam Javrittim. The horoscope has 12 bhavas. First bhava deals the body of the native, health of the native. Second, what his speech, what kind of speech, and what is his education. Fourth house, Mada Sugar Madula Bhagineyo, Kshetram Sugam Vahanamasananja, Lalityam Ambaha Shayanam Javrittim. The fourth house is malefic. With malefic planets, the person is not getting the happiness from mother and house and wife and in the society. The fourth house have Mercury, Venus, Jupiter or moon with aspects of the ninth lord or Lagna lord. The person will get happiness and have all comforts in life. The Venus who is in the fourth house, he may have many houses and have good vehicles. All the comforts in life he can enjoy. The fourth house is Mercury, he will get good education as well as all the comforts in life can enjoy. And the fourth house and the moon also the Karaka of mother. Moon also powerful and in the Kendra or Trigona. The fourth lord is in the Lagna. The person can enjoy the comforts from mother and mother have long life. The youngster's property can enjoy. The fourth house, Venus is in the fourth house with excellent sign and aspects of the Lagna. The person have all the comforts in life and can buy new modern vehicles and can travel with the modern vehicles. And the ninth house also be considered. The ninth lord is powerful with the aspects of the Lagna lord. The person will get great looking and taster and mythical, and the gain from property and is unexpected manners, fortunate in discovery and findings, noble, long lived and trustworthy, and have enjoy the life, be strong and well aspects prosperous in life, wealthy and having conveniences, good aspects from 2, 7, 11 house lords. One gets abundance of wealth. And thinker, success in foreign land. You can live in foreign country and also the success, the ninth lord is aspects to the fourth lord and Lagna lord is aspects to the fourth house. He legal success, founder of charitable institutions and scientific approaches, logical, ceremonial minds, meditative, occult subjects, and Saturn also be strong and is in the 11th house. One is rich and happy, also happiness from sons, philosophical bend of mind, fond of occult studies, otherwise of weak Saturn, the benefit of good fortune, troubles in foreign lands, dangerous voyage, studious and thoughtful nature, money through labors, but also easy money by less work, brokerage or something like that. The person having the Venus in the 4th house, favorable domestic life, agreeable and fortunate, home happiness, home comforts, and the perfumes and good clothes can wear, and have good vehicles, good fortune and general success, jewelry and perfumes. If Sun, Moon or Jupiter favorable aspects, good fortune, finance, etc. If indications of love affairs also, one may have a happy life also. The Jupiter who is in the 4th house, he have landed properties, favor from parents, and happiness in domestic life, friends, uncles, etc. or son-in-laws, eminent fortunate, eminent person in the society, providential help, easy happy life, gain in business or profession, and he becomes great in the society. All the comforts can enjoy in the life. But we have to consider the Dasha period also. The 4th house and the 9th house and the Lagna Lord also be considered. The Lagna Lord is in the 4th house. The aspects of Jupiter or Venus or Mercury, he may have good comforts in life. And the properties, all the property, landed properties and buildings and vehicles, he can enjoy, and many servants in life. And Dasha period also be considered.